In this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic call recordings on your Android phone without any stress. Every incoming call will be automatically recorded with this simple button you need to turn on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Android phone dialer. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the three slider, proceed to settings, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on call recording. Under call recording right here, scroll down right here and you have automatic call recording. Turn on this button, toggle button, and this is going to pump up right here. Always record calls with number not in your contact. Whether the number is in your contact or the number is not in your contact, is going to auto record every incoming call. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on always record. Boom, and you are done. With that, all incoming calls is going to be automatically recorded on your Android phone without any stress. Let me know what you think about this particular feature about Android call recording in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.